Have you ever felt the sting of a door closing in your face? Not just once, but over and over again. Imagine that feeling 100 times. This is a story about that feeling. And what happens next? It's about the quiet strength that grows after the 100th door has slammed shut. This is for anyone who's ever thought about giving up, lost in a sea of rejections. Our story follows a young woman who walked a long, lonely road paved with failures. She wasn't a superhero, just an ordinary person with extraordinary hope. She faced rejection from jobs, opportunities, and even people she trusted. Each failure was a stone in a heavy bag she carried, but she kept walking. This story doesn't hide the pain of trying and failing, it shines a light on it. Resilience isn't about never falling, it's about getting back up, even when your legs are shaking. And then, we'll see the magic of the 101st try. In a small, quiet town lived Maya, gentle, shy, and often overlooked. Her dream was simple, to create a cozy cafe where people could belong. She imagined the smell of fresh coffee, laughter, and a safe harbor for lonely souls. Maya poured her heart into planning, sketching layouts, baking recipes, and learning business basics. Her dream was her constant companion, a quiet flame against the coldness of reality. With hope and a business plan in hand, Maya was ready to take her first step. She didn't know it yet, but this step would test her in ways she never imagined. Maya's journey began with closed doors. At the first bank, her dream was dismissed as too risky. She tried other banks, always the same answer: no. Private investors and local business owners turned her down, some even mocking her idea. The world felt cold and unwelcoming. Rejections came from everywhere. Even her family urged her to find a safe job. Friends grew tired of her struggles. Maya felt invisible, her passion ignored. The loneliness was suffocating. The world seemed to shout, "You are not good enough." She'd go home, look at her sketches, and wonder if her dream was just a foolish fantasy. The constant stream of no's eroded her confidence. She faced a storm of disappointment, standing alone. But even as hope faded, she clung to her dream. Each rejection hurt, but she kept moving forward. The weight of failure pressed down, but she refused to let it crush her spirit. Most would have given up after so many rejections, but Maya discovered a quiet strength inside her. Each no became a lesson, not a defeat. She learned accounting, marketing, and resilience from every setback. Failure became her teacher, not her enemy. She built a fortress within, her self-worth no longer tied to others' approval. Alone in her apartment, she chose to try again and again. Each failure made her more determined. She was becoming stronger because of her struggles. The rejections piled up, 30, 50, 100. Maya reworked her plan, pitched to everyone, and spent her savings. She was exhausted, watching others' lives move forward while hers stalled. Doubt crept in. Maybe her dream was just a fantasy. The flame of hope flickered, nearly out. On a rainy afternoon, her 100th rejection arrived, an impersonal email. The number felt final, like a judgment. She considered quitting, tempted by the promise of relief from struggle. Maybe it was time to surrender. The pain of trying and failing was relentless. She could put her dream away and move on. The silence in her apartment was deafening, but even in despair, something inside her refused to let go. In her darkest moment, Maya opened her old journal. She wrote, "I have not failed 100 times. I have discovered 100 ways that do not work." The words shifted something inside her. She was not a loser but a researcher, an explorer mapping dead ends. Her failures became data, not shame. Each rejection was a lesson, not a verdict. With this new perspective, the weight of failure lifted. She realized she didn't need others' approval, just her own belief. The goal was no longer to get a yes, but to build her dream herself. Her journey was about learning, not just winning. She was ready to try again, armed with knowledge. The pain became power. Maya's story was about to change. With a new mindset, Maya stopped chasing big loans and validation. She asked, "How can I start with what I have?" She began baking in her apartment, selling cookies at the local farmer's market. Her stall was small, but it was hers. She poured love into every treat, connecting with customers as friends. Slowly, a community formed around her. People came for the cookies and the warmth she offered. Her stall became a local favorite. Orders grew. She saved every dollar in a jar labeled Cafe Dream. No longer seeking permission, she built her dream with her own hands. After a year, she had enough to rent a tiny shop. It wasn't the grand cafe she'd imagined, but it was a start. This was her 101st attempt. Signing the lease with her own savings, she smiled. The sun was rising on her new beginning. The journey had been long, but the view was beautiful. Maya's dream was finally taking shape. Maya's Cafe, the 101st Sunrise, became a beloved local spot. It was filled with art, music, books, and community. She had built the safe harbor she once longed for. Her story spread, inspiring others to keep trying. Letters poured in from people who found hope in her journey. Maya spoke at schools, sharing her honest story of failure and resilience. Her victory was personal, not just financial. She proved her dream was not foolish. Perseverance was more powerful than rejection. Approval from others no longer defined her. Her sense of accomplishment came from within. She turned 100 failures into the foundation of her success. This story is for you. Your journey is your own. Every no is a lesson. Every setback builds strength. Don't give up. Your 101st sunrise might be just ahead. Your story is still being written and you hold the pen.